Assisted returnee entrepreneurs are migrants abroad who return to their homelands and undertake new entrepreneurial ventures thanks to the support of return and reintegration policies. These schemes offer financial support to help reintegrate migrants in the home country. But what makes these assisted returnee migrants able to allocate such financial support as an investment in starting a business rather than using it for other expenses? By studying 93 African and Latin American assisted returnees, Daniela Bolzani, a researcher at the University of Bologna, found that return migrants' entrepreneurial investments largely depend upon both migrants' preparedness to returning to their homelands and their motivations to engage in entrepreneurship. People's motivations to return to their homelands as entrepreneurs often vary. Some find great self-fulfillment in entrepreneurship and perceive business opportunities in their countries of origin. But others may be forced to return home because of legal or socioeconomic issues and may only become entrepreneurs so that they have employment. Many migrants utilize return and reintegration policies, offered for instance by governments or supranational bodies such as the European Union or the United Nations Development Program. Some returnees with more personal or family financial wealth are able to allocate higher proportions of these reintegration grants to their startups. However, migrants in dire financial situations, aided by a program representative, often use these reintegration budgets to satisfy basic needs, such as healthcare, living costs, or accommodations. They are perhaps willing to reintegrate as entrepreneurs, but are unable financially to start new ventures from scratch, even with government assistance. Wonder why assisted returnees may or may not invest in businesses upon their returns? If so, you may want to read this paper.